Hi, this is Jake from Gazelle Gadget Lab. Today we're going to be replacing the trackball on a BlackBerry 9630 Tour. This is a common problem with them on some of the earlier models that were shipped. Some of the tools you'll need a T6 screwdriver and some plastic prying instruments to help take off the housing. And it's always useful to have a can of air around for when you're taking parts apart to blow out the dust. And you also need a trackball that is a good trackball. I just got this one off eBay. They're easy to find on there. The trackball is actually the same ones used in all the earlier versions of BlackBerries, like the old 83XX or anything like that, or the Pearls. So the first step, obviously you got to take off the back, remove the battery. And there's 4 screws on the back. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now before you do this, you should probably take it back to your carrier to try to get a new one, because this will void your warranty by removing these screws. Alright, next step is you have to remove this piece of plastic housing right here on the front. Now, use something plastic, not like a screwdriver, you'll scratch your housing. There should be a little bit of glue holding it on to there. Don't worry about that though. Okay, now you got to remove these 2 screws here. Okay, next remove the back part of the housing first. Be careful here. And then there's 4 of these plastic tabs. You just gotta be gentle and pry them slightly so you can lift the front part of the housing off. Here are the other 2. So I'm snapping it back in. There you go. Okay. Now this is the problem right here, this guy. So notice that the teardrop is coming down like that. So you want to put the new one in the same exact way. So we'll put the old one over here. So I got a black one. You can get whatever you want though. I want to look as close as it did before. Alright, so that's all you got to do. It just comes right out easily. So So then we put the front part on again first. Clip it past these little clips on the side. Gently. And then next we put the back on. Alright. So first we'll screw in those front screws. And screw in the 4 on the back. Next we'll snap this back into place. Start at the bottom and then work to the top. Alright, that's in there snug. The next thing you have to do is turn it on, test it out. Alright, now that it's powered back on, we can take it for a little test run. You can see it's much smoother than it was before. It's very slow, and you had to roll it about 8 times before it even move over one slot. So that's how to fix it. It was only about 10 minutes long, and I already love it a lot more than I used to. This is Jake from the Gadget Lab, and thanks for watching.